Hello and welcome to this video on how to use rejection to your favor, based on the wisdom of Stoicism. Rejection is something that we all face at some point in our lives, whether it's in our personal or professional endeavors. It can be painful, frustrating, and discouraging, but it doesn't have to be the end of the world. In fact, rejection can be a great opportunity for personal growth if we learn how to handle it with the right mindset and attitude. In this video, we will share with you 13 lessons from Stoic philosophy that can help you turn rejection into a positive force in your life. These lessons are not only theoretical, but also practical and applicable to any situation where you might face rejection. By following these principles, you will be able to overcome rejection and become a stronger, more resilient, and more successful person. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Disregard them too. The first lesson is to disregard the people who reject you, just as they disregard you. Don't waste your time and energy on trying to please them, impress them, or win them over. They are not worth your attention or your respect. Instead, focus on the people who value you, support you, and appreciate you. These are the people who matter in your life and who will help you grow and achieve your goals. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best." Lesson 2. Don't react emotionally. The second lesson is to not react emotionally to rejection. Rejection can trigger a lot of negative emotions, such as anger, sadness, fear, or resentment. These emotions can cloud your judgment, impair your performance, and damage your relationships. Instead of letting your emotions take over, try to remain calm, rational, and objective. Analyze the situation, understand the reasons behind the rejection, and learn from the feedback. Don't take rejection personally, but rather as a challenge to improve yourself. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Lesson 3. Remove them from your mind. The third lesson is to remove the people who reject you from your mind. Don't dwell on the past or on what could have been. Don't let the rejection haunt you or affect your self-esteem or self-confidence. Don't give them the power to control your thoughts, feelings, or actions. Instead, move on with your life and focus on the present and the future. Concentrate on your goals, your plans, and your actions. Don't let the rejection define you, but rather use it as a motivation to grow and succeed. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "The greatest remedy for anger is delay." Lesson 4. Demonstrate your value. The fourth lesson is to demonstrate your value to the world. Don't let the rejection make you doubt your worth or your abilities. Don't let the rejection stop you from pursuing your dreams or from expressing your talents. Instead, show the world what you are capable of and what you have to offer. Work hard, improve your skills, and deliver your best results. Prove to yourself and to others that you are valuable and that you deserve respect and recognition. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." Lesson 5. Cut off contact. The fifth lesson is to cut off contact with the people who reject you. Don't try to stay in touch or to maintain a relationship with them. Don't seek their approval or their validation. Don't let them influence your decisions or your actions. Instead, distance yourself from them and from their negativity. Surround yourself with positive, supportive, and inspiring people. Build a network of allies, mentors, and friends who will help you achieve your goals and who will celebrate your successes. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Lesson 6. Prove them wrong. The sixth lesson is to prove them wrong. Don't let the rejection discourage you or make you give up on your dreams. Don't let the rejection limit your potential or your possibilities. Instead, use the rejection as a fuel to drive you forward and to push you harder. Set ambitious goals and pursue them with passion and determination. Achieve great things and make a positive impact on the world. Show them that they made a mistake and that they underestimated you. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Lesson 7. Go out and have fun. The seventh lesson is to go out and have fun. Don't let the rejection make you isolate yourself or deprive yourself of joy. Don't let the rejection affect your mood or your happiness. Instead, enjoy your life and make the most of every moment. Do the things that you love and that make you happy. Explore new places, meet new people, and try new things. Have fun, laugh, and smile. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." Lesson 8. Build your social status. The eighth lesson is to build your social status. Don't let the rejection make you feel inferior or insignificant. Don't let the rejection lower your self-esteem or your self-confidence. Instead, boost your social status and increase your influence. Be a leader, a role model, and a mentor. Be generous, helpful, and respectful. Be confident, charismatic, and assertive. Be someone who others admire, respect, and follow. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Lesson 9. Act as if they don't exist. The ninth lesson is to act as if they don't exist. Don't let the rejection make you obsessed or bitter. Don't let the rejection consume your thoughts or your emotions. Instead, ignore them and pretend that they don't exist. Don't give them any attention or any acknowledgement. Don't let them affect your behavior or your actions. Don't let them see that they hurt you or that they matter to you. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It is not he who reviles or strikes you who insults you, but your opinion that these things are insulting." Lesson 10. Don't beg for attention. The 10th lesson is to don't beg for attention. Don't let the rejection make you desperate or needy. Don't let the rejection make you chase them or plead with them. Don't let the rejection make you compromise your values or your dignity. Instead, be independent and self-reliant. Be comfortable with yourself and with your own company. Be content with what you have and with who you are. Don't seek attention, but rather attract it. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." Lesson 11. Don't reveal your struggle. The 11th lesson is to don't reveal your struggle. Don't let the rejection make you vulnerable or weak. Don't let the rejection make you complain or whine. Don't let the rejection make you share your pain or your problems. Instead, be strong and resilient. Be stoic and silent. Be discreet and private. Don't let them see your struggle or your suffering. Don't let them pity you or mock you. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius said, "Be like the rock that the waves keep crashing over. It stands unmoved and the raging of the sea falls still around it." Lesson 12. Don't take it personally. The 12th lesson is to don't take it personally. Don't let the rejection make you feel attacked or offended. Don't let the rejection make you blame yourself or others. Don't let the rejection make you feel guilty or ashamed. Instead, be objective and realistic. Be rational and logical. Be humble and forgiving. Don't take it personally, but rather understand that rejection is not about you but about them. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Lesson 13. Don't let it stop you. The 13th and final lesson is to don't let it stop you. Don't let the rejection make you quit or give up. Don't let the rejection make you lose hope or faith. Don't let the rejection make you stop trying or growing. Instead, be persistent and determined. Be optimistic and courageous. Be adventurous and curious. Don't let it stop you, but rather use it as a stepping stone to achieve your goals and to fulfill your dreams. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end." Conclusion. These are the 13 lessons on how to use rejection to your favor, inspired by Stoicism. By applying these principles, you will be able to overcome rejection and become a stronger, more resilient, and more successful person. Remember that rejection is not a failure but a feedback. Rejection is not a curse but a blessing. Rejection is not a problem,